In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Steam on Windows laptop or PC. Just go to your browser, then start for Steam, download, then press enter, and there you can see store.steampower.com. So you need to click here, or you can also click here as well. After going to the store.steampower.com, you will see this option install Steam, and I'll also give this link in the description. So here just click on install Steam and it will download a exe file. There you can see. So right now we need to double click on this exe file, then give a permission yes, then you need to click on next, then you need to choose your language. So I'm going to choose the English language, then click next, and here you can choose where you want to download and install Steam. So I will install the Steam in default location, then click on install, and there you can see Steam installation is complete. If I now just click on finish, it will download some necessary files, and once the download is complete, it will open our Steam. So there you can see our installation is complete and it opens Steam. So right now you can just create a free account and open Steam over here. So I hope this was useful. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorial.